Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, AnitraRenèe. If you are new here to my channel, if you like all things home decor, DIY hacks, and clean with me videos and lifestyle vlogs, this is the channel here for you. So welcome to the family. On today's video, as you see, I had to clean out my refrigerator. So that is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to clean and get organized. I'm just gonna start by removing everything out of my refrigerator so I can give it a good wiping down with some Lysol and clean it out first before putting everything back nice, neatly, and organized. So what I'm doing right now is just removing these stickers that were on my shelves, and they were there when I purchased the fridge. And in order to get some of the tackiness off of them, I sprayed it with the Lysol, and then I just scraped it within the rag in my nail. I gave my shelves and my little organizer bins a good hot soapy bath, drying them off, and then I'm going to line them up with these liners. These I found at my local TJ Maxx, and then I put all of my veggies, as you can see, back into the refrigerator. And now I am taking off the shelves off of the side of my doors, giving those a good wipe down with the Lysol, putting them back, and putting everything a little bit better organized. And I threw away all of the expired items that were on the shelf. And voila, guys, magic, all clean and organized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with cleaning my fridge and getting it organized. I hope it inspires you all to clean out your fridge, or maybe even a pantry, or maybe even a closet. And leave me a comment below and let me know what you've been cleaning during this quarantine. Until next time, guys, I love you guys. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you in the next one.